I'll teach you everything you need to know about printing and the output tab in 5 minutes. So to insert a script to workspace, we can use the insert objects like we did for the part. Just instead of writing part, obviously you want to write script. And when you find it, click on that regular script with the white icon, and you can either have it highlighted and press enter or click on it. Or you could also use the method with the plus sign and just click the script. But for scripts, there is another way. Just go to the model tab and click this little white icon, and bam, you have yourself a script. Right now, we're inside of the script. If we want to switch back to the real world, we can just click right here where it will say the name of your place. In my case, it's called tutorial place. But if we want to go back to the script, we click this little tab right next to it, and now we're back in the script that we just added. Also notice when we're in the tutorial place, we're in any one of these tabs. When we're in the script land, we're in the script tab. So the options up here are different too. So you can already see it says print hello world in this line of code. It's the first thing people do when they learn a programming language. But I'm a terrible person and I made you wait like what, 5, 6 videos before you can even begin to script, but my bad. So what does this do? I'll show you. A script is only running when the game is playing. If you hit the play button, it will put you in the game. And if you don't see that, just click the drop down menu and you can see the play button right here. Because I don't have the play one, I have the run one. So let's just click play for now. Or as you can see, you can hit F5 on your keyboard as a shortcut. So just go ahead and click that. And as you can see, I can run around in this place. It's like I'm playing the game, but I'm really not. I'm just testing it out. But it's for all intents and purposes, it's the same thing as if you were playing. However, you don't need to have your character out for what I'm going to teach you right now. So you can just hit this little red square at the top, or you can hit Shift F5, and that'll also stop the little game testing. We'll go back into our script world, and we can just hit the run option. What this does, it plays the game, but without your character. So it loads faster because it doesn't need to load in your character. And we don't really need the character for this lesson. So we're just going to go ahead and hit run, or hit F8 on your keyboard. And when I hit run, I want you to focus on this little output window and see if you notice anything. You see it says hello world, exactly as it's written in our little script within the quotation marks. I'll tell you what the output window does. This is just a way that the script communicates with us. It also tells us the time things were printed at. Like I just happened to run this at 14:38 and 33 seconds, so 2:30ish in the afternoon. And it also tells us exactly what was printed. And what we printed was what it's inside the quotation marks, which was hello world with an exclamation mark. Finally, it also tells us what line of the script it was printed on. It tells us this one right here. And as you can see, we're on the first line of the script. To print something, you have to follow this syntax. And syntax is just like the blueprint, the layout, sort of. I'll start it from scratch. You have to write print. Then you have to add parentheses and quotation marks. And whatever you write inside of the quotation marks will be printed out. If you write subscribe, you have to, don't forget to stop it and restart it. And you see, I wrote subscribe inside the quotation marks, and that's what is printed out. You can print just about anything you want. You can write entire sentences if you want. You can even write lies. As soon as you test it out, it'll be printed in the output.